everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a swing with the Rubik's Twist. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the 11th block. And then you're going to take the 11th block and hold it like that. So that's the 11th block. Make sure like the color side is facing you. Okay, and then you're going to turn all the blocks above it to the right, and then you're going to turn all the blocks below it to the left, like that. Okay, so it's kind of symmetrical, but not really, but kind of. Okay, and then now what you're going to do is you're going to turn this down like that, and then turn that down like that. Okay, and then you're going to turn this towards you, and then this away from you. Okay, and so now this one, you're going to turn that block like that, and then bring them in together. You're going to turn that block like that, and then bring them in together. Okay, and then now, so that's the bottom of the swing. Now make that face like that, and that face like that. And then count these 3 blocks, and then, take the last 3 blocks and then turn them twice. And there you go, you have your swing. So it swings like that. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.